The answer to end fiber cracking forever is the Tri-Creaser Fast Fit, designed and evolved by Tech-ni-Fold, world-class leaders in innovative creasing devices. The fully patented Tri-Creaser from Tech-ni-Fold is the only rotary creasing device that totally eliminates fiber cracking on stock ranging from 85 to 350 GSM. Once the device is fitted onto the shafts of a folding machine, new crease settings can be applied in seconds. The Tri-Creaser has been designed with the least experienced operators in mind and is surprisingly easy to use. The creasing device can be set up and used in a few short minutes on all popular makes of folding machines without a prior demonstration or special training. The latest Tri-Creaser version is called the Tri-Creaser Fast Fit. The new split creasing ribs provide users with a unique way to attach ribs without taking the shafts out of the machine. Applying one of the 3 color-coded creasing ribs is just so quick. The creasing rib is designed with a special profile that fits perfectly into a locking hub of the same shape. There is absolutely no limitation on speed. The Tri-Creaser Fast Fit will run as fast as your folder can run, creating instant and deep penetrating creases. The Tri-Creaser Fast Fit can achieve such outstanding quality at any speed because of the specially formulated, resilient and interchangeable creasing ribs. The softer creasing rib stretches the fibers of even the most difficult stocks instead of crushing them like the more common methods. The end result is a perfect non-cracking fold or crease. All of the 8 different crease settings have been built into the design to cater for any weight of material, and that's regardless of grain direction or solid ink coverage. Tech-ni-Fold, renowned for producing world-class creasing solutions. For more information, please visit us at www.technifold.com.